am Dr. MLgo3 and today we are discussing machine learning. Machine learning is something we come across every day several times. The moment we go to Google search and ask for a web page, this is the machine learning app at a Google server ranking the page and displaying. So we are using machine learning. The moment we visit the Facebook, our own image as well as the friend's image, face detection happens. That's the machine learning. Email box, inbox, then spam mails get filtered from the unspam mails. So this is again the machine learning. That's how the machine learning come across all the time in our life these days. In our domestic life also, as soon as we enter to some room in a big hotel or in institutions or somewhere, you must have observed that the lights in the fans are automatically getting on. In order to learn new things, they are using the past experience in order to perform better than earlier. So this is all the machine learning. In a simple way, we can understand this scenario by looking at the children, very young children education. When they start learning alphabets, they are not able to draw alphabet at first instance. In a first go, they won't do it right, but with repeated instances, they can draw right when they are being guided and corrected by the trainer. So they learn from their experience and they take the corrective measures and make the right one. So similarly, machines also learn from their past experience and then they perform better. So machine learning is of three types: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and the reinforcement learning. Supervised machine learning can again be related with like a student being trained for the exam with a answer key. Student has a question key, a question list as well as the answer key for his or her training. So the supervised data is also provided the answer key, which is called the label data. And the model, machine learning, we work with the models. So model will check every time whether the value it is predicted is comparable to the actual value or not. If it is not, then it will try to correct it and get the more closure value. Similarly, unsupervised learning is a bit different. It is not using the answer key. We are not providing answer key to the machines while using the unsupervised learning. And the third type is the reinforcement learning, which is inspired by the gaming. So there also the machines learn with the past experience and try to do better. Let's come to the supervised learning and see what are the two different models are part of it. One is regression, another is classification. So regression algorithm takes the continuous values like 22.2, 38.4, 45.6, something like that. Continuous values are taken by the regression model. Classification, one will take the categorical values. Categorical values are yes or no, present or absent, detected or not detected, survived or not survived. This kind of values are taken in the classification. So data is very important. The kind of data you are using, on looking at the data, can decide which algorithm is to be taken for developing machine learning model. Under unsupervised learning, we have again two algorithms, clustering and associations. Clustering and association both are dedicated to the customer behavior, and all e-commerce sites are earning huge amount by implementing these algorithms in their web scenario. Like with the association, when the one product is displayed on the web, it is simultaneously displaying few more products to be buy with. This is association. And similarly, if you go forward, if you go to the Amazon.in, you can see one product is displayed with more options to buy with, and there are several other recommendations. So that is the recommendation system. So these both algorithms, clustering and the associations, are making e-commerce business to earn huge amount of money. And reinforcement learning is the very interesting. The Google has come out with the game AlphaGo, where reinforcement learning has been used, and Go is a game, Alpha is a machine, and they have created an event where they have called the several Go expert players to play the game with the machines. And you will be surprised to know that out of 5 times, 4 times machine won the game, only once human could win the game. So more detail on this AlphaGo will take up in the next video, or I'll provide the link in the description to go through on the web to check on this. Thank you very much. Please subscribe Skilled and be tuned for the more learnings on machine learning. Thank you.